What's good? What's happening, YouTube? It's Flyer Kicks. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, man, I hope you enjoy yourself. And if you do, go ahead and hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and please hit that subscribe button so you can join the Frequent Flyers Club. And to all of my OGs that are already a part of the Frequent Flyers Club, you know, I definitely appreciate it. Y'all keep rocking with me. I'm trying to hit to my goal for the year of 1,000 subs. We right at 300, man. So let's keep pushing and let's make that happen. And last but not least, I got my Instagram name right here. Go ahead and head over to my IG, hit that follow button, man. Give me some support on there as well. Now, getting straight to the shoes. As you can see by the title, we got a Kobe black box. You know, the tag reads Kobe 5 Protro black, cyber, and dark gray, with a retail price of 180 bucks, man. Got the Nike receipt. And here we have the Kobe 5 Chaos, but we got the 2K Gamer Edition. Now, I'm a big Kobe guy. Well, I used to be a big Kobe guy with Kobe 4 through Kobe 8. But as of recently, of course, the shoes just haven't been as popping. They more of hooping shoes. They don't really have a stylish tone to them. But when I seen that they did the Kobe 5, I had to hop on it, man. Back in the day when they first came out, I believe in 2009, I want to say, or 2010, I had the original Chaos pair. But the only difference was this gray part. It was white on the original pair, and they actually just retroed those a couple of days ago as well. But I seen these on the 2K list, and I seen they did the LeBrons a couple of months ago. So yeah, when I seen the Kobe 5, I hit up my boy, because I don't really play 2K. I hit up one of my partners named Booby, and I asked him if he had a good my player on there. So with 2K, they're doing like 10 shoes. You have to go through and complete a challenge, and then you'll be able to unlock the shoe, not only for your player on the game, but once you link your sneakers app to it, you'll be able to buy the actual shoe. So I hit him up. He went on there. I believe the challenge, you had to score 42 points, which was outscoring Kobe's Christmas Day high. So he went on there, scored the 42 points. About 10 minutes later, it unlocked on my sneakers app, and boom, I went ahead and made the purchase for these Chaoses, man. It's a super clean shoe, honestly. Just the like I said, the 5s through 8s were really big shoes to me. Used to wear them all the time, especially the Kobe 8 for me. The 7 and 8 were really hard in my collection, like the All-Star pairs and the Kobe and the Christmas pairs of the 8s. But nevertheless, man, this is a super hard shoe. Got the polka dot laces, man. It adds the nice red touch and matches the red dots on the midsole. Got the neon green check and the neon green outsole. You know, just a regular Kobe 5, man. But they just added the twist, like I said, changed this dark gray from white. And like I said, they added the dark gray. So yeah, these are super duper clean to me, man. Super clean, super lightweight, super dope hooping shoe. Honestly, if you're gonna hoop, this is a nice hooping shoe as well. But like I said, the 4 through 8s had the stylish look to them, so you can wear them with some street clothes or with a fit and actually wear them off the court as well. But yeah, man, Kobe 5, I like how they're doing it with the 2K and making it very interactive. I believe there's only 2,200 pairs of these. I missed out on the purple LeBrons from the very first 2K release of this year. So hopefully I can go ahead and grab the rest of them. Who knows what else they'll add, maybe a PG. Hopefully they actually add a Jordan shoe on there as well. But definitely gonna try to grab as many as I can. That's a dope concept by 2K, honestly, man. Just it brings the gamer and the sneakerhead to one, man. It bridges that gap. So it just bridges that gap, man. So people that play the game and like the shoes on the game, you can unlock it on there, have your player play in them on there, then you can own them in person, man. So I think that's a really cool concept. Like I said, I'm excited to see what else they do in the future, man, and see what other models and what other colorways they add to the 2K line. I believe it's gonna be 10 shoes, so we have 8 left. They did this one in the purple LeBron already. The only thing that I could say about this, I wish they added like the 2K branding somewhere. On the LeBron, they had like 2K right here on the laces. I thought that was a nice touch, but nevertheless, I like that they added the gray and just changed it from a regular Chaos. Kobe 5. So cool shoe, definitely super clean to me. Gonna get up close and personal with these guys so you guys can see these details. You guys can see this holographic color. You can see this like a kind of chameleon print, goes from like purple to blue around the dark areas and on the toe box. And you guys can really see and really tell me if you really feeling this Kobe 5, or if you would rather see some of the other models and you would have passed on this one, man. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get up close and personal with this Kobe 5 Protro. And now getting up close and personal, as you can see, they got the black Nike box with the Kobe logo on the front. The tag reads black, cyber, and dark gray, Kobe 5 Protro, with the retail price of $180. Got the receipt here. Has all the style number and the UPC code and all that good stuff on it. And boom, man, here we are. The Kobe 5 Protro, the gamer exclusive. See on the back, it has like the hard heel tab, Kobe signature on it with the red dots. See, it has like the green check. You can see that purple and blue, like almost like chameleon print, depending on what angle you look at it. It just kind of reflects and shows a different color. Has the nice red maroonish polka dot laces that really match with that midsole, and it matches with that with the specs on the back, man. Got a nice loud lime green outsole with the red hits. Got the Kobe logo on the bottom in red, and it got the Kobe logo on the tongue in neon green. I'm just getting to the other shoe, man. Just the same as the other one, man. Got the KB on the front of this one. The other one had 24 on the front, just for Kobe's playing number during the time he wore the 5s. It's a super clean shoe, man, honestly. Super light, super comfortable. You can wear it on the court or off the court. Definitely good to hoop in, and then it's still fashionable to get a fit off in, man. Super clean to me. Just an overall fire shoe. Shout out to 2K and Nike for really just bridging this gap, man. Let me know how y'all feeling about them. Now that just about wraps up this video, y'all. We got the Kobe 5 2K gamer exclusives. Are these fire? Are they overrated? Would you rather have the original Chaos pair that just retroed as well with the white, or do you like the dark pair? Or do you like the dark gray on here, man? I think I like the dark. You know, you guys, I always say I'm a dark shoes and a dark clothes connoisseur, man. So this was super fire to me. I love the pair with the white. The gray just made it that much better with this Joker look, this dark Joker look, man. I love it, man. Let me know how y'all feeling. Give me y'all honest opinions on these, man. Drop a comment down below if you're gonna look forward to any of the other 2K releases, man. Let me know if what models you would want to see, or what players you would want to see what player shoes you would want to see get done by the 2K and Nike collab, man. But that just about wraps it up, man. Until next time on the next video, y'all. Peace.